When we talk about classic American cars that truly changed the game, one name that always stands out is the Ford Deluxe. This car wasn't just another vehicle on the road. It was a symbol of style, innovation, and everyday luxury at a time when the world was going through major changes. The Ford Deluxe represents an era when automobiles became more than just transportation, they became a statement. The Ford Deluxe first gained major popularity in the late 1930s and early 1940s. Built by the legendary Ford Motor Company, it was designed to offer something extra compared to the standard models. And that extra was exactly what people wanted. With its bold chrome grille, smooth fenders, and elegant body lines, the Ford Deluxe looked modern, classy, and powerful. It had a presence that demanded attention on the road. One of the most iconic versions of the Ford Deluxe came in 1940. The 1940 Ford Deluxe is still considered one of the most beautiful cars ever produced by Ford. The front grille design with its horizontal chrome bars gave it a wide and confident look. The headlights were perfectly integrated into the fenders, making the car look smooth and streamlined. At a time when many cars still had boxy designs, the Ford Deluxe looked futuristic. Under the hood, the Ford Deluxe was powered by the famous Flathead V8 engine. This engine was a game changer. It delivered impressive power for its time while remaining affordable. That combination made the Ford Deluxe extremely popular among everyday drivers and performance enthusiasts alike. The sound of the Flathead V8 was deep and satisfying, giving drivers a true American driving experience. Inside the cabin, the Ford Deluxe offered comfort that felt premium for its era. The seats were spacious and well-cushioned, often covered in high-quality fabric or leather depending on the trim. The dashboard featured simple yet elegant gauges designed to be easy to read. The steering wheel had a stylish design and the overall layout felt balanced and refined. For families, it was practical. For individuals, it felt luxurious. Another reason the Ford Deluxe became legendary is its strong connection to car culture. Over the years, it became one of the most popular hot rod platforms in the United States. Custom builders loved the Ford Deluxe because of its solid frame and powerful V8 engine. Many classic hot rods you see in movies, car shows, and magazines are based on the 1939 or 1940 Ford Deluxe models. Its timeless shape makes it perfect for customization. The Ford Deluxe was available in multiple body styles, including coupe, sedan, convertible, and station wagon. This variety allowed buyers to choose a model that suited their lifestyle. The convertible version, especially, became a symbol of freedom and open-road adventure. Driving a Ford Deluxe convertible with the top down became an iconic image of American life. Even after World War II, the Ford Deluxe continued to influence car design. Although production styles evolved, the earlier Deluxe models remained favorites among collectors. Today, restored Ford Deluxe cars can sell for impressive prices at auctions. Collectors value them not just for their beauty but also for their historical importance. What makes the Ford Deluxe truly special is the balance it achieved. It was stylish but affordable, powerful but reliable, elegant but practical. That balance is what helped Ford build a loyal customer base during a competitive time in automotive history. It showed that you didn't have to be extremely wealthy to own a car that looked and felt premium. In pop culture, the Ford Deluxe has appeared in countless films and television shows. Its classic design instantly transports viewers back to the golden era of American motoring. Whenever you see a 1940 Ford Deluxe cruising down the street in a movie, you immediately feel nostalgia, even if you weren't alive during that time. That's the power of timeless design. Driving a Ford Deluxe today is a completely different experience compared to modern cars. There are no digital screens, no advanced driver assistance systems, and no complicated electronics. Instead, you get a raw mechanical connection to the road. You hear the engine clearly, you feel the steering, you control every movement. It's pure driving in its most authentic form. For car enthusiasts, owning a Ford Deluxe is not just about having an old vehicle. It's about preserving a piece of history. It's about celebrating a time when design and engineering were driven by passion and craftsmanship. Every curve of the body, every chrome detail, and every engine sound tells a story. The Ford Deluxe remains one of the most beloved classic cars ever produced by Ford. It represents innovation, style, and the spirit of America's automotive golden age. Even decades after its release, it continues to inspire collectors, builders, and car lovers around the world. If you love classic cars, the Ford Deluxe is a name you must remember. It's not just a car, it's a legend on wheels.